Welcome to Section 4 of the Front-End Web Development Using Go video course. In this section, we will return to the GopherFace web application. We will focus on introducing a single-page web architecture to the GopherFace web application. In the first video, we will introduce you to Kick, a tool from the Isomorphic Go project that can be used to instantly kickstart a full-stack Go project. In the second video, we will introduce the single-page web architecture and the requirements needed to implement it. In the third video, we will show you how to implement client-side routing in the GopherFace web application. In the fourth video, we will introduce you to the concept of rendering full templates on the client side using template sets. And finally, in the fifth video, we will show you how to implement full client-side template rendering for the GopherFace web application. In this video, we will cover the following topics. We will introduce you to the Kick tool from the Isomorphic Go project. We will demonstrate how to use Kick with the GopherFace web application project. The Kick tool is a lightweight mechanism to provide an instant kickstart to a Go web server instance upon the modification of a Go source file within a particular project directory, including any subdirectories. Have you ever become tired of typing Go build or GopherJS build all the time to manually compile your Go project? Not only is it inconvenient, but it's also unproductive. We can automate this manual process and compile our Go code automatically using an instant kickstart, and that's what we'll be doing with a tool called Kick from the Isomorphic Go project. An instant kickstart consists of a recompilation of the Go code and a restart of the web server instance. Kick comes with the ability to take both the Go and GopherJS commands into consideration when performing the instant kickstart. Kick also takes template files into consideration when performing instant kickstarts. Here are some major benefits of using Kick. Kick provides a means to automate the development workflow since it recompiles the Go code and restarts the web server instance for us. This productive development workflow is very similar to that enjoyed by PHP developers since, as you may know, anytime you make a change to a PHP source file, the change is instantly reflected when the web page is refreshed in the browser. Kick is a very handy tool since it takes both Go and GopherJS into consideration when performing the instant kickstart. To install Kick, we simply issue the following go get command: go get-u github.com/isomorphicgo/kick. Now that we've installed Kick, let's run it. To run Kick and display the help menu, we type kick-help. Here, we can see the usage information for the Kick command. The app path flag specifies the path to the Go application project. The main source file flag specifies the name of the Go source file that contains the main function implementation in the Go application project directory. The GopherJS app path flag specifies the path to your GopherJS project. Let's open up the .profile file that's found in your home directory. We are going to set a path for our GopherFace web application project. We are now going to return to the GopherFace web application. We will be placing our GopherJS code inside the client folder of our project directory. To run Kick with our project, we are going to introduce an environment variable called GopherFace app root. Let's add the following line to this file: export GopherFace app root equals $ curly brace gopath curly brace /src/github.com/engineercommaish/go full stack/volume3/section4/GopherFace. Now, when we open a new terminal window, let's see if our environment variable has been populated. We can do so by typing the following command: echo $GopherFace app root. And now we can see that the environment variable has been populated. Let's start up the Docker MySQL instance by typing the following command: docker start GopherFace MySQL. And we can type docker ps to see that our MySQL database instance is running. Let's start using Kick. I'm going to type the following command: kick --app path equals GopherFace app root space --GopherJS app path is equal to GopherFace app root /client space -- main source file equals gopherface.go. And then I hit enter. Now, when I open the web browser, I can access the GopherFace web application. We can access the login page by typing in the following address: https://gopherface.local:8443/login. We're going to start out by introducing a change on the server side, and in this particular case, we're going to change a server-side template. I'm going to edit the login form.html source file inside the templates directory. Instead of the button saying login, let's have the button say sign in instead. So here, I can now make the change, and notice as I am changing the value, Kick performs an instant kickstart. When I refresh the browser, I can see that my change is reflected immediately. I did not have to manually compile the program. Let's change the message on the button to say log in again, and notice that the instant kickstart happened automatically, and here we can see our change reflected immediately. As we had mentioned earlier, we've introduced this client folder to the GopherFace web application. All our front-end web application code will reside in the client directory. Let's log in to the GopherFace web application. Let's open up the web console, and notice that we have this message here that says GopherFace is on the client side. What if we wanted to change this message? Before, we would have to edit the source file where it's defined and issue a GopherJS build command, and then we would have to move the JavaScript source file to the static/js folder. Now, with an instant kickstart, we can easily change this message and see our change reflected instantly. Let's open up the client.go source file in the client directory. I will change the message to read GopherFace is on the client side thanks to GopherJS. Notice that when I save it, an instant kickstart has occurred. Going back to the web browser, I simply refresh the page, and now I can see the updated message. So the beauty of the Kick tool is that now we don't have to manually compile our Go and GopherJS projects. We can simply have Kick do it for us. And this automates our workflow and enhances our productivity. From here on out, we will be using Kick for the rest of the course, and we won't be issuing the Go build or GopherJS build commands anymore. In this video, we provided you with an introduction to performing instant kickstarts of Go projects using Kick.